Hey Mishti, can you hold your breath for 1 minute?
Yes, I can, but it is very difficult.
Mishti, isn't this amazing we breathe all the time?
That's a great question, Avian. We need to breathe in air to stay alive. Not only human beings, but all other living things also need to breathe to remain alive.
All living things breathe to stay alive.
Yes, exactly. We need oxygen to live. The air we breathe is rich in oxygen.
But why do we need oxygen?
Oxygen helps in releasing energy from the food we eat. This process of releasing energy from food is known as respiration. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is exhaled by us.
Oh, so that's why we breathe out.
Yes, the process of breathing in air, which is rich in oxygen, is called inhalation. The inhaled air goes through the windpipe into our lungs.
Windpipe? What's that?
The windpipe is a long tube that connects our nose to our lungs. Our lungs are like sponges. The lungs are protected by the rib cage.
A rib cage? What's that?
Avian, touch your chest. Do you feel any bones here?
Yes, I can feel some curved and hard things in there.
It is your rib cage. The rib cage has 12 pairs of curved bones, each connected to the backbone at the back. Ribs are connected to a broad bone at front, called the breastbone. Except the last two pairs, the rib cage also protects the heart.
Wow, I didn't know that. What else is there?
There's a strong muscle called the diaphragm that lies below the lungs. The diaphragm moves our chest in and out for helping our lungs expand and squeeze.
How does the diaphragm work?
The diaphragm moves down when we inhale air. Our lungs expand due to the air taken in. This process of breathing air in is called inhalation.
And what happens when we breathe out?
Avian. When we breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and moves up. Now the air is pushed out from the lungs. This process of breathing air out is called exhalation.
So, inhalation is breathing in and exhalation is breathing out.
Exactly. It's a continuous process that keeps happening to make sure our body gets the oxygen it needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide.
I see. So, every time I breathe, my diaphragm is moving and my lungs are working.
Yes, that's right. Breathing is an amazing process that happens automatically. Our body does it without us having to think about it.
That's really cool, Mishti. I am going to tell my friends about this.
They'll be impressed, I'm sure. Take deep breath, Avian. This will help you feel calm and relaxed. When we run or do physical exercises, the rate of our breathing increases because our body needs more energy. To provide more energy, more oxygen is required. So we breathe at a faster rate than normal. Do you know that the air we exhale is humid and hot?
Yes, my hand feels moist after some time.
Yes. Put your hand in front of your mouth and blow out air. You will feel that the blown out air is humid and hot. It is because the inside of our body is hot with an average temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So the exhaled air is warmer and contains more water vapor than the air we inhale.
Wow, I can feel it. Why is it important to breathe clean air?
To remain healthy, we must breathe in clean and fresh air. Unclean air harms our health and is called polluted air. Dust, smoke, and poisonous gases released by factories and vehicles make the air polluted.
What happens if we inhale polluted air?
If we inhale polluted air, we may suffer from different health problems like asthma, sneezing and coughing, burning eyes, throat irritation, and more. Polluted air can even cause lung diseases and lung cancer.
That sounds bad.
We should avoid polluted areas as much as possible and stay in places with fresh air. Also, we should not breathe through our mouth. Nose breathing is healthier because the nasal hair filters dust and germs.
What else should we do?
We should not cover our nose while sleeping and should sleep in good postures that allow us to breathe freely.
Thanks, Misty. I'll make sure to follow these tips.
Great! Remember, taking care of our breathing is essential for staying healthy and feeling good.